Tip 1. Mulching is the practice of covering the surface of the soil in your garden with a layer of organic material. Mulching has several benefits, including 1. Moisture retention. Mulch helps to retain moisture in the soil, reducing the need for frequent watering. This is especially useful during dry periods or in areas with low rainfall. 2. Weed suppression. Mulch helps to suppress weed growth by blocking sunlight and preventing weed seeds from germinating. 3. Soil temperature regulation. Mulch helps to regulate soil temperature by insulating the soil and preventing it from overheating or cooling too quickly. This can be especially beneficial for plants that are sensitive to temperature fluctuations. To mulch your garden, simply spread a layer of organic material such as wood chips, straw, or leaves over the soil around your plants. Be sure to leave a few inches of space around the base of your plants to allow for proper airflow and prevent rot. Tip 2. Proper watering is essential for the health and growth of your garden plants. However, it's important to find the right balance, as both overwatering and underwatering can cause problems. To water your plants effectively, follow these tips. 1. Water deeply. Instead of watering frequently and shallowly, aim to water your plants deeply and less frequently. This helps to encourage deep root growth and reduce the risk of disease. 2. Water at the right time. Water your plants in the morning or evening, when the air is cooler and the sun is not as strong. This will help to reduce evaporation and ensure that your plants have access to moisture throughout the day. 3. Check the soil. To determine when your plants need water, stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. By following these tips, you can help to ensure that your plants receive the right amount of water, without over or underwatering them. Tip 3. Fertilizing your garden helps to provide your plants with the nutrients they need to grow and thrive. Instead of using synthetic fertilizers, which can have negative impacts on the environment and your health, consider using natural alternatives, such as compost or organic fertilizers. Compost is a natural, nutrient-rich soil amendment that is made by decomposing organic materials such as yard waste and food scraps. By adding compost to your soil, you can improve the structure, fertility, and drainage of your soil, as well as reduce the amount of waste you send to the landfill. Organic fertilizers are another sustainable option for fertilizing your garden. These fertilizers are made from natural sources, such as plant matter, bone meal, or seaweed, and do not contain synthetic chemicals. They can be a good choice for gardeners who want to avoid using synthetic fertilizers but still need to provide their plants with additional nutrients. By choosing natural fertilizers, you can help to improve the health and sustainability of your garden. Tip 4. Crop rotation is the practice of growing different crops in the same area in a specific order, with the goal of improving soil health and reducing pests and diseases. By rotating your crops, you can help to prevent soil depletion and pest buildup, and improve the overall health and productivity of your garden. To practice crop rotation, divide your garden into sections and assign each section to a specific group of crops. For example, you might have one section for root vegetables, such as carrots and potatoes, another for legumes, such as beans and peas, and another for leafy greens, such as lettuce and spinach. Then, each year, change the crops that you plant in each section. For example, if you grew root vegetables in one section one year, plant legumes in that same section the next year. This will help to prevent soil depletion and pest buildup, and ensure that your plants have access to a wide range of nutrients. By practicing crop rotation, you can help to improve the health and sustainability of your garden. Tip 5. Gardening is a learning process, and it's natural to make mistakes along the way. Instead of getting discouraged, use your mistakes as an opportunity to learn and improve your gardening skills. Here are a few ways to learn from your mistakes in the garden. 1. Reflect on what went wrong. If a plant didn't grow as well as you hoped, take some time to think about what might have caused the problem. Was it a lack of sunlight? Too much or too little water? Pest or disease issues? 2. Research solutions. Once you have identified the problem, do some research to find out how to solve it. You can search online, ask a local gardening expert, or consult a gardening book or guide. 3. Try again. Don't be afraid to try again, even if you had a problem the first time. Gardening is all about experimentation and learning, and you may have more success the second time around. By learning from your mistakes and being willing to try again, you can continue to improve your gardening skills and achieve greater success in the garden. We hope these 5 beginner tips for organic gardening have been helpful, and have inspired you to start your own organic garden. Remember, gardening is a learning process, and it's okay to make mistakes along the way. By staying patient and persistent, you can create a beautiful, healthy garden that is both sustainable and enjoyable. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!